What's good, PB gang? It's your boy Poppy Blasted, aka Rope God.
Rope God. Rope God.
Yeah. And today I'm coming at y'all with another reaction videos. Y'all know we've been on this reaction shit heavy, bro. PB gang, man, we doing this reaction shit, man. I'm trying to blow. You feel me? And I'm just trying to give y'all what y'all want. At the same time, I like doing the reactions. It's pretty fun, man. I like the feedback you guys give me, and also I like doing the reactions. You feel me? Like I like actually looking at it and seeing what's going on with it, and you know, you guys giving me the feedback on the reaction. You know what I'm saying? So that's dope. And as you guys know, we've been doing the celebrity waivers lately, man. That's what we've been on. That's what we've been on, man. That's the trend right now. You feel me? That's what we doing right now, man. PB gang, y'all know we set trends, bro. But anyways, man, y'all been spamming me about this guy Herbo, right? Herbo, no limit Herbo. That's his Instagram name. Yeah, they call him Herbo, and he's a waiver. You know what I'm saying? You guys been spamming me about him, man. So y'all know he next. To be honest, bro, I don't really know who he is. You feel me? Like he must be an underground artist. I don't really know who he is. I followed him though, just so I could, you know, do the video or whatever, and just check him out to see what his wave is about. So we finna say right now, we about to go to his page on Instagram. We about to you know, check out his waves and see what's happening, man. See what type of, if he really wavy or what. Is he? Let's see. Let's find out. Let's get it.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy.
Alright, gang, so we are now on Herbo's Instagram page, and we about to see what's happening, man, with his waves, bro. Y'all know we rate hard, you feel me? We rate hard. It ain't really a rate though. It ain't really a rate, it's just me kind of like giving my thoughts and my opinion on their wave game. You feel me? Because, you know, waving to me it's not just a hobby, you feel me? It's a lifestyle. You know, just like fashion is a lifestyle. You know, your appearance means everything. So how you dress means everything. You feel me? How you you know, how your hair, you feel me? How you style your hair, it means everything. You know what I'm saying? That's why waving will never die. That's why fashion will never die. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, it's all on, you know, that person's first impression. So you want to make sure you fly. You want to make sure your appearance is on point, A1, 100. You feel me? So when that person see you, you're like, okay, I'm on. And not even for the other people, just for yourself. You know, if you want to be, you know what I'm saying, hygiene, it goes along. Hygiene, it goes with hygiene, it goes with your appearance, everything. So that's why I like doing this shit, man. And you know, this waiver, he's a waiver. I mean, let's see. First one I saw was like some, oh no, other than Lance Stevenson. He has like a slant pattern, but in the back you see he has a slant like type pattern. It's like 720s or 540s or something. Do you see what I see? That thing look kind of straight, man. On everything. That looks straight. Let's see what else he got, bro. Let's see if we can find some more waves on this thing, man. It's a dark picture though. It's a dark picture. It's a dark picture. Dark. I wish y'all would start sending me pictures of these people so I don't have to go on the Instagram page, because some of these people don't want to show their waves like that. It's hard to find their wave pictures, you feel me? I see that one right there though. Hopefully you got the video or something. This one? No, that's something else. I see a do-rag on his head. I do see a do-rag on his head. Hey. With money bag, yo. Can we see a picture ahead on? Can we see a good angle on the dippers? All these pictures that's dark. Come on, bruh. Y'all telling me to do Herbo like he's spinning. Let's see. Can I get a good picture? How you guys know? If I can't see it on Instagram, where you guys be seeing it at? Should I Google it? Cause I don't see it. Oh, okay. So he put that for Do-Rag History Month, February. Yeah, see. Yeah, okay, he a real waiver then. Let's see then. Show your thing. Show them things then, bro. Show them things, man. You know, let's see. We'll keep going. We'll stall them out. Keep going. But so far, I don't really see. Okay. Laugh aloud. Hey, motherfuckers can't ignore it like they don't see the motherfuckers spinning all they want. Hold on. Laugh aloud. Hey, motherfuckers can ignore it like they don't see it. The motherfuckers spinning all they want. Yeah, we ride spinners. We ride spinners. Snoop Dogg voice. Okay. I like it. Alright. Okay, that's one picture. Let's see if this picture had a... Yeah, it had a nice house there. Alright, that's one picture, bro. Let's see what else we can find. Hopefully we can find some other stuff. That's dope. That's a dope picture. But yeah, man, you can see them things, man. You just can't really see it real good, you know? Let's see. Yeah, he got some waves, though. I just can't really get no good angle like that, man, you know? You got to do that.
Fuck it. Hold on. What you said? We shooting Never Cared video, bro. Never Cared. We shooting that bitch today.
Show them things. Take
my block's on the red.
Take the do-rag off.
I never cared. Shoot niggas in the head. Bah! We ain't never scared. Been in your block a few times.
I'm gonna have to check out his music and see what he really about, though. Real talk. Okay. I see him. He got some waves. He's showing them. Okay. All right. By the way, man, I need me a shape up, bro. Like, real talk, man. I need me a shape up. Look at my mustache, bro. Come on. Man, I gotta get one. I'm gonna get one this weekend, though, bro. I'll film it, too, for y'all. Y'all already know I film all that shit. Got another do-rag on. Yeah, I mean, at least he be ragged up, man. So you can tell he is a waver.
I got pasta do-rag.
Oh, you got a new do-rag coming soon?
Both op do-rag.
Okay.
Name on this bitch.
Them things silky? Are they silky though?
Ben Frank.
I want to know if them things are satin. No, that's what I want to know. What about y'all, man? We want to know. I know y'all want to know too. It don't look really silky like that. Damn. Shit, like that. Alright, man. I'm trying to find some more. Waves. So, okay, so he got waves. He definitely had waves. You know? He has waves, but to me, he ain't really spinning like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all gotta show me something, because what I'm seeing right here, I mean, he got waves, but they not like, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know. You guys know. Y'all know what's the difference between waves and ropes. They nice, but he ain't messing with King Combs, he ain't messing with fucking Lance Stevenson and all them niggas. And my nigga Rich Homie Quan, he definitely ain't fucking with him. I'm just keeping it 100 from what I see. So yeah, if y'all see something else other than what I see, let me know, cause this is what I see right here. This is what you guys recommended. Y'all know I always watch them. I always give my opinion on their waves from their Instagram page. So maybe y'all saw something else I didn't see, but from what I see and y'all spamming it, he cool, but it ain't nothing special, bro. You know what I'm saying? But he is a waver though, cause he always wear the do-rag and stuff like that. So yeah, that's all I see, bro. That's it for him, G Herbo, man. Any other recommendations? Let me know, man. Y'all already know what to do, man. Comment below. Let me know who y'all want next. You know, whatever celebrity waver. You know what I'm saying? Whatever type of celebrity. It doesn't have to be a rapper. It could be anybody. Y'all was saying Tracy Morgan and stuff like that. Y'all want me to do him? Y'all want me to do Jalen Rose. What y'all want? Let me know, bro. Right now, everybody comment below. Let me know who y'all want to go next. And then that'll make me, you know, put the battery on my back to make me do whoever next, somebody else. You know, so that's G Herbo though. But don't forget, comment below right now who y'all want for me to rate next. Not rate, why I keep saying rate? I must rate that waiver, that's why. I miss rate that waiver, bro. That's gonna come back soon, but not rate though. But y'all know what I mean. Let me know who y'all want me to, you know, my thoughts on their waves, and pretty much, you know, let you guys know how I feel about their wave game next. Comment below right now, who's next? Alright? With that being said, man, if you're new tuning into my channel, my name is Poppy Blasty, aka Rope God. Thank you for, you know, watching the video. Do me a favor and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, man. I got a lot of videos, man, and more coming soon. You know, a lot of videos on my channel already. You know, I can help you out to get the best 360 waves ever. Okay, ever. And that's a fact. 400 plus videos on my channel. Wave videos at that. A lot of help. That's what I'm here for, to help you guys. Also, when you subscribe, make sure you hit that bell right on the side. Boom, boom, bing. Hit that bell, highlight it, so you will not miss out on none of my videos I drop in the future, tomorrow, whenever. Every time I drop one, you will see it. Boop, Poppy Blasty dropped the video. Click that shit, bow. Watch it, show love, some support. Alright, with that being said, man, I love y'all. You already know what it is. PP gang, and I'm out of here. And if you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah. Cut the camera, nigga.